Hi guys, if you want to stop Google Docs from automatically capitalizing the first letter of sentences like this, then let's see how to do it. With the auto capitalization turned on in your Google Docs, when you type something, the first letter of the sentence gets automatically capitalized. Let's say for the example, here I am going to type, and here you can see the first letter of the sentence is being automatically capitalized because the auto capitalization is turned on. If you want to turn it off, for that, first of all go to the Tools section and then click on Preferences. And now here you will see this option, Automatically Capitalize Words. You have to simply disable this option. Once you disable this option, the auto capitalization will be turned off. So to disable it, simply uncheck this option and then click on OK. And now the auto capitalization will be turned off. And from now on, whenever you type something, the first letter of the sentence will not be automatically capitalized. Let's check it out. So for the example, I want to type. You can see now the first letter of the sentence is not being automatically capitalized. Again, I am typing here. And here you can see the first letter of the sentence is in lowercase and not being automatically capitalized. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily stop Google Docs from automatically capitalizing the first letter of the sentence. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.